The Reusable Children 3D Copybook for Calligraphy Numbers 0 to 10 is an innovative educational tool designed to make learning fun and engaging for young learners. This product stands out for its unique 3D design, which enhances visual learning and captures children's attention effectively. One of the most notable features of this copybook is its reusable nature, allowing children to practice their handwriting and math skills multiple times without the need for constant replacement. The erasable pages let kids write with a special pen that can be wiped clean, providing an eco-friendly alternative to traditional paper. This not only saves money but also encourages a growth mindset where mistakes are seen as a part of the learning process. The layout of the copybook is thoughtfully constructed, featuring numbers from 0 to 10 that help children grasp foundational math skills while simultaneously developing their handwriting abilities. The guided lines and dotted formats assist young writers in forming letters and numbers correctly. Moreover, the integration of calligraphy elements introduces a creative aspect to learning that can cultivate an appreciation for beautiful writing.